You don't need to be Novak Djokovic to feel the pain of tennis elbow. In fact, actually 95% of people who suffer from lateral epicondylitis, also known as tennis elbow, don't even play tennis. So what lateral epicondylitis is, it's inflammation of the tendon that attaches to the lateral epicondyle of your bone. And it can result in pain and weakness in the wrist and elbow as well. Repetitive motions and awkward positioning of your wrist often contribute to tennis elbow. So how can you fix it? Well, reducing inflammation around the tendon is an important first step, but reducing muscle spasms to improve blood flow, improve circulation, and speed up recovery is also very important. Now, after the pain has decreased, be sure to begin a combination of stretching and strengthening of the muscles supporting your shoulder, your elbow, and your neck, because having restricted motion in your neck can predispose you to developing tennis elbow. At Provolution Health, we will carefully examine your neck, your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist, your whole body to make sure that the motion is natural and also free of restriction. So tennis elbow is unlikely to disappear on its own, but by taking a conservative approach, you will be in the best possible position to find relief. And once you're feeling better, you may even want to pick up tennis as a new sport.